Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE and Narcotics Control Bureau to sign landmark MOU on 3rd September 2025 in New Delhi. Joint initiative to launch awareness programs, workshops, and counseling sessions in CBSE schools nationwide to prevent substance abuse and promote drug-free educational environments. CBSE launches Heritage India Quiz 2025 on the theme Heritage through Vibrant Festivals of India. Online registration open till 30th September for students of classes 9 to 12 in all affiliated schools across India and abroad. 3-stage competition to begin in October with online test, move to cluster rounds in November, and culminate in national semi-finals and grand finale in Delhi in December. Winning team to receive 25,000 rupees and rolling trophy along with cash prizes for runners-up. Travel reimbursements and certificates offered to qualifying teams. Kerala Education Department announces uniforms not mandatory in schools on festival days. Students encouraged to wear festive attire to celebrate cultural diversity and traditions. CBSE launches free online artificial intelligence boot camps for class 9 and 10 students from September to December 2025. 4 batches scheduled with live interactive sessions, 4 to 6 p.m., hands-on activities, and practical learning. Schools to register students online. Participation links to be shared via email, no registration fee applicable. CBSE in partnership with Niti Aayog, Atal Innovation Mission, NIELIT, Ministry of Education, and Intel India launches India AI Impact Festival 2025 on the theme AI Innovation for Social Impact. National platform calls for groundbreaking AI and AIoT projects from students, educators, and institutions across India. Entries invited under the categories Impact Creators, Impact Shapers, and Impact Nurturers, showcasing innovations that drive inclusion, accessibility, and empowerment of underserved communities. Submissions open until 31st August 2025 via aiimpactfestival@gmail.com. New study reveals 88% of Indian students turn to AI tools like ChatGPT for stress relief. Teenagers aged 13 to 18 exhibit highest emotional reliance. Survey by Youth Ki Awaaz and YLAC highlights growing use of AI as confidant, especially in smaller towns amid concerns over isolation and privacy. CBSE announces one-day capacity building program for teachers of artificial intelligence, classes 11 to 12, at Hubballi, Karnataka on 29 August 2025. Principals directed to ensure participation. Training to be held at KLEM Sakhare English Medium School from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Registrations open until 27 August via online form or QR code. NEET PG 2025 answer keys, individual responses, and normalization details to be published for the first time following Supreme Court directive. National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences set to release official information, enhancing transparency and candidate access to examination data. Digital India Initiative, Tamil Nadu School in Trichy introduces QR codes on student uniforms for the first time. Color-coded t-shirts with QR codes will provide instant access to basic student details including class and school name, starting academic year 2025 to 26. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.